Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stylefit with Jenny. Hope you all are doing well. So if you are new to my channel, I am Jenny and I'm here to make some beautiful self-care makeup and some fashion videos as well. So today I'm going to create the cold makeup look which is going on viral right now. So let's see how it looks on dusky skin. Yeah, without further delay, let's get into the video. But before that, don't forget to click the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. So without further delay, let's get right into the video. As you all know, that cool makeup look is going on viral right now as it's a winter season, and yeah, I'm just gonna try this look to achieve a kind of a look in this dusky skin tone. So let's see how it goes and how is the final result. So first, skin prep is so important, right? So I've just prepped my skin with this Blissant lychee and sea buckthorn face wash, which is great for all skin types and it's a beautiful gentle cleanser. And then I've just prepped my skin with the Pond's light moisturizer. This is a pretty good moisturizer for all skin types and I like it so much whenever I use it as my pre-makeup routine a lot. And then this is a sunscreen cum primer because it's a silicone based sunscreen. I like it so much and this is my favorite lately. And this is the Dermaco's 1% hyaluronic tinted sunscreen gel. It is so easily blendable. It's a mineral sunscreen and it has SPF 60, which is great, and this just like blurs your pores like a primer and preps your skin so well. That's why I like it a lot. Next, not to forget about a lip care, I've used the Plum's Candy Melts lip balm, which is my current favorite and it's almost an empty. I need to repurchase it and that's how much I love it. Now without further delay, let's get into the let's get into the makeup steps. Yes, and I'm back and I'm here with the orange corrector. So first I'm going to use this Pack Takeover concealer in the shade Rusty Orange. I'm going to apply as usual in my hyperpigmented areas and wherever I have acne marks, spots and hyperpigmentation. A little goes a long way, guys. So yeah, that's it. And I'm just going to blend it with my fingers well. Now that I've color corrected my face, I'm just gonna use this beauty blender to just remove the excess of the color corrector. Now it's perfect. So now let's move on to the foundation step, and for that I'm gonna just mix both of these, the ELF concealer and the Nykaa Skin Shield foundation in the shade 13, which is slightly darker for me right now, and so I'm gonna mix this and make it the perfect match. And now I'm gonna just dot it on my face and then blend it well with the beauty blender. The Nykaa Skin Shield foundation is a beautiful skin-like finish foundation that provides medium coverage. It isn't too matte or dewy, so that's why I like it so much, and it's perfect for this winter makeup as well. Yeah, now as you can see, it's pretty much good. So just I'm going to use the ELF concealer again to just highlight some of my areas and to just cover up my further flaws. As you can see, a little goes a long way with this concealer, but it is super pigmented, it is long lasting, it is matte finish and it is so good. And now I'm gonna just again blend it so well. Now it's pretty much good, right? So now I'm gonna use a cream blush, which is super important for this beautiful winter look, and for that I'm gonna use the Simply Numbs Velvet Cream Magic Blush, and it's in the shade Partner in Crime. This is such a beautiful pink shade, and I'm gonna just take the cream blush with a beauty sponge, dab it a little, and now I'm just gonna go from the apple of my cheeks till the end, and this is gonna give me that beautiful pink flush of cheeks. Can you see the difference? And this is the first time that I'm trying this kind of a blush look and it looks pretty good. I really love blush a lot and this looks so beautiful, right? So now I'm gonna set this entire base makeup with the beautiful Pack Takeover Compact Powder, and this looks so super good. And yeah, I'm just gonna set everything so well. Now I'm gonna use this beautiful Sugar Mini Bronzer and I'm just gonna chisel up my cheeks slightly. Yeah. Can you see the difference? Now to set that blush area, I'm just going to use again the Sugar Mini Blush, and it is in the shade Salmon Superstar, which is so super beautiful shade for dusky skin tone. I'm just going to put on slightly because as we already have cream blush on, so this is so pigmented, so I'm going to just be careful. Now this looks so good and natural, right? So that's why I like it so much. For the eyes, first I'm gonna use the Plum's eyebrow pencil, and this pretty looks like a gray shade, but yeah, I can just manage it. So I'm gonna just take very short strokes to give it that natural kind of a look, but it looks full and groomed and bushy. So that's about my eyebrows. So now let's move on to eye makeup, and for that I'm going to use this Mars eyeshadow palette, and I'm not sure, I think it's Lit It Up is a variant. I'm just going to take this center eyeshadow slightly, not more, and I'm going to dab it on my entire eyelid to give that beautiful lit look. That's how it looks like. And now I'm just going to pick this pink shade very slightly, and I'm just gonna blend it on my crease so that it looks soft and subtle. This is so pigmented and I have to be so careful. That's how the eye look is like, guys. Now let's just move on to kajal. For kajal, I'm gonna use this Bellora Paris kajal, which looks super pigmented and looks so beautiful. Next step for eyeliner, I'm going to use this Sugar I Told You So eyeliner, which is so beautiful and pigmented. So I'm just going to draw a thin, very thin winged eyeliner. My beautiful, cute little cat mirror. So that's how the thin winged eyeliner looks like. I'm just going to complete the other eye and I'll be right back. That's pretty much about the eyeliner, guys. It is so beautiful, right? With this beautiful silver glittery glam look with this thin wing eyeliner. So now I'm just gonna curl my lashes with this Vega eyelash curler. I'm back with the mascara. So for mascara, I'm gonna use the Sugar Lash Mob mascara. This is a pretty good mascara for the price that we purchased, and this provides a beautiful volume with slight little length to it, and for this look it looks perfect and natural. Now for lips, I'm gonna use the Plum's Matterific lipstick, and yeah, this is the Matterific lipstick. It's the perfect beautiful pink nude shade for dusky skin tone. With this, I'm going to use the Blue Heavens lip gloss, and it is called as Lush and Juicy, and it is the lip plumping wand, and this is in the shade Retro Groove. So I'm just gonna apply this in the center part of my lips, and this looks so beautiful, right? Now the last step of this look is not to forget about the highlighter, and I'm going to use the Mars Cosmetics highlighter. We are just going to apply slightly, as it already looks beautiful, dewy, and looks so good. So I'm just going to pop it on the cheekbone, slightly on the bridge of my nose and on the center of my nose, on my eyebrow bone to just highlight it, and slightly on my inner corners of my eyes. That's about the makeup look, guys. I'll just complete the entire look and I'll be right back. So that's it for the look, guys. I hope you like this look so much. It's a beautiful winter kind of a glam look with that glossy lips and that pretty little glitter eyes. I hope you like this look, guys. I hope I achieved that winter kind of a cold makeup look. So comment down below if you like this look, and if I try to at least achieve at least to some percentage with those makeup looks. So let me know in the comment section below. I'll be happy to see your comments, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Also, you can check out my Instagram page stylefitwithjanu for more skincare, haircare and makeup content. Yeah, until next time, bye bye.